Good afternoon. I want to make a quick video about a tweet I sent this morning on my way from my lecture to my seminar about how much I dislike lecturing. And I genuinely do. I hate lecturing. I find it, I don't know, I just find it to be very both draining on myself, but I think it's also quite draining on students. I found it very draining as a student. I found it very passive, and I as a teacher don't particularly like passive classes. I would much prefer a system where I had 2 hours, a 2-hour block with a class in the same room. I could assign them a reading that would cover all of the information that I would give in the lectures, because that stuff is readily available in books like this. Like, if I can just assign a reading from a book like Grease in the Making. So let's say we are doing the 7th century and reforming communities. I could just assign them this text as a reading. They would read it. They would get all of the information that I would be giving in the lecture anyway. And then we would have 2 hours as a class to really dig into some texts or particular events that we might do, all kinds of different things, workshops, text workshops, look at not just the scholarship that we had read, but interrogate the scholarship and give the students a place to really think and read and dissect and discuss and come into. That looks really weird when I do that because of the way that the camera is set up. That would give them a space to actually engage with ancient source material in a safe and free environment. So that's what I mean when I say I don't like lecturing. I find it a waste of time, frankly. Not a waste of time to do. It's not that I feel like it's a waste of time when I'm doing it. It's that everything that I'm telling them is readily available in books. I think the time that we would spend together would be much better spent if we weren't thinking about giving them like a rundown of events. Also, this feeds into my wanting to get rid of exams, because I think that for humanities subjects that aren't languages, they are mostly rubbish. Anyway, that is my random teaching thoughts for today, and I've made a teaching video for a while. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of lectures. Do you like lectures? Are you an undergraduate or master's student who loves going to lectures and doesn't want to lose them? Are you an academic who loves lectures? Are you an academic who hates lectures? Let me know in the comments below. As always, you can get me on Twitter. I'm at Ellie Mackin. And subscribe, click the bell, all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.